Good afternoon, everyone. This is Mrs. Smith, and I'm coming to you from my house. You can see my nose and my mouth because I do not have my mask on. And I don't need to be wearing a mask right now because you're not here. Nobody is here. It's just me. So I'm not sharing germs with anyone. So this is what my whole face looks like. Some of you have seen me before. Most of you have seen me before, so you know what I look like. I just hope you can recognize me without my mask. But here I am. Now, the last time we had PreK Plus together, we were working on the number 7. So, of course, after the number 7 comes the number 8. And I do have the number 8 poster with me from school at home. And we can see that great big number 8 on it. So we're going to make the number 8. We're going to go around and around and around. Can you try that? Get your finger out and make it in the air with me. Around and around and around. And that is the number 8. Now, on our great big poster, you see we have a great big octopus. The reason we have an octopus is because the octopus has how many legs? 8. Let's count those legs together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure you can see it. 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 legs on the octopus. Actually, O-C-T, means 8. That's why the octopus has 8 legs. Now, he's got 8 instruments also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 instruments. I love to hear instruments play. I love music. And as you can see around the number 8, there are 8 music notes. Let's count those notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you can see in the octopus, he has 4 legs, 1, 2, 3, 4 on this side, and 4 legs on this side, 1, 2, 3, 4. Because 4 plus 4 makes 8. And 8 is our number of the day. The other thing I want to tell you about 8 notes make up an octave. Now watch me sing 8 notes. It goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You call that an octave because there are 8 notes in that scale. And when we're at the top, we can count backwards. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you were playing the piano, you would know that number 1 and number 8 are the same notes, like a C and a C. If you play the piano, you would learn that. Count that with me one time. You can use your hands to go up, or if you want, you can use your whole body. You can start out very small with 1 and get bigger and bigger and bigger all the way up to 8. If you want to stand up and use your whole body, you can. I'm going to use my hands once again. You can count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You count 1 and 8, an octave. Because there's that word like octopus. Octave means 8. 8 notes, 8 legs on the octopus. And I was actually able to find a book with 8 silly monkeys in it. I was pretty excited about that because I often do 5 silly monkeys jumping on the bed. But this book I was able to find has the title 8 Silly Monkeys. 8 actually starts with the letter E, which is kind of odd because it sounds like it should start with A. It's kind of complicated, but that is the title of our story for today. It says 8 Silly Monkeys, illustrated by Steve Haskamp. That means that Steve Haskamp is the person who made the pictures for this book. So here it is, a book that actually has 8 in the title. Amazing. I'm sure you know this song. 8 silly monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. And you know, if there were 8 monkeys jumping on the bed and one fell off, that means there are now 7. 7 silly monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, No more monkeys jumping on the bed. Now, if there were 7 monkeys jumping on the bed and one fell off and bumped their head, that means 7 minus 1 is 6. 6 silly monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. And you know, if there were 6 monkeys and one fell off, that leaves 5. 6 minus 1 equals 5. 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. So if there were 5 and one fell off, now there are 4. 4 silly monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. If there were 4 monkeys jumping on the bed and one fell off, that leaves 3. 3 silly monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Oh, look, they're crying. I guess it hurts. So, if there were 3 monkeys jumping on the bed and one fell off, how many monkeys are left? 2. 2 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. And you know, if there were 2 monkeys jumping on the bed and one fell off, that leaves, how many? 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. And there he is. 1 little monkey jumping on the bed. He fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Nobody mentioned anything about jumping on the couch. And that's how our story ends. So they stopped jumping on the bed, but oh my goodness, look where they are, jumping on the couch, because nobody said anything about not doing that. And that's our story about 8 silly monkeys jumping on the bed for the number 8. So you can do your number 8 page in your number 8 booklet, and soon we're going to get it done. We've been working on it for a while. Well, have a good day and fill out your number 8 page, and we'll talk to you again soon.